Malabar is a diverse neighborhood in South Arima, in Trinidad and Tobago. It is noted for middle-class housing. Its boundaries are marked by Omeara Road to the west, Tumpuna Road to the east, the Churchill-Roosevelt Highway to the south and Pro-Queen Street to the north. One of its main streets, Subero Street, extends southward into Malabar from Pro-Queen Street into the Malabar Housing Project and ends at Nutones Boulevard, which runs along the northern boundary of the Omeara Industrial Estate. The other main street is the Malabar Road. The western part of Malabar seems to overlap with what was once the La Chance estate, which was founded by Gaston de Gannes de la Chancellerie in the 1840s. Until the early 1970s, southern Malabar was primarily populated by Malabars, descendants of indentured labourers from the Malabar region in Kerala, India. The southern part of the original settlement along Malabar Road was known locally as India. Malabar is a heavily residential area, with small to medium-size businesses distributed along its main thoroughfares. These businesses are in the main shops, food vendors and small service establishments such as tyre shops, laundries etc. The late 1960s and 1970s saw the establishment of a number of residential areas by private developers in the district. These were Christina Gardens, Malabar Gardens, Leotaud Lands, Vista, and Concorde Gardens and, in the late 1990s, Philly Gardens. In the late 1960s, the Trinidad and Tobago government commenced the construction of the Malabar Housing Project. This continued into the 1980s. The Trinidad and Tobago government's Malabar Housing Project is currently divided into 4 phases, numbered in order of establishment. 1. Phase 1, whose streets are named after decorative and ornamental plant species, such as Banyan Boulevard, Salvia Drive, Allamanda Drive, and Poui Lane. The Malabar Government Primary School is located in this phase. 2. Phase 2, whose streets are named after popular steelbands, such as Desper's Crescent and Nutones Boulevard. 4. Phase 4, whose streets are named after prominent Arimian citizens. Up to the late 1960s, southern Malabar, currently the housing project, was covered by light forest and was known for a large number of guava trees that grew there. Caimans, tortoises, green parrots, parakeets and various fish such as guppy, cascarab and guabine were quite common in the area but have virtually disappeared with the removal of the native forests. Opossum and mongoose currently co-exist with the district's human residents. The Arima's Larry Gomes Stadium is located in Malabar. The Malabar Settlement has a community centre, and a judicial complex is underway.